This is Pauline Chong again. I'm a chef and food writer for many decades, and today I am going to teach you how to make cucumber oyster sauce stir fry. Okay, let's begin. And this is suitable for vegans. First of all, you switch on the heat to a high heat, and here in this wok, I'm using a non-stick lightweight wok, okay, and it's got 4 tablespoons of sunflower oil and a splash of sesame oil, which I'm going to add puree. And I'm going to flavour the oil. Just to make this dish. Himalayan pink sea salt, garlic puree, and oils, coriander leaf, mushroom veggie stir fry, which is this bottle here. You can get that from any Asian supermarkets. That's like oyster sauce, but it's vegetarian, okay? This is dark soy sauce to go with it, and that accentuates flavour. And I've got chopped up spring onions here. I've got 1 cucumber I sliced up thinly. I've got 4 tablespoons of corn flour, and then I mixed it with some water to make it into a paste. And then I've got some mushroom stock water, and maybe we might put a tablespoon of sugar in it to balance the flavour too. So, and I've got black pepper and salt going in. But now it's heated up, all you do is add the cucumber, sliced cucumber. You just and add the stock water, a little bit of stock water, and we add the mushroom vegetarian stir fry sauce, which is like oyster sauce. You add about 4 tablespoons of this. I prefer this kind of oyster sauce than the actual meat oyster sauce, really. It's not so salty, it's sweeter, I think. And then add 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce to enhance the flavour. And just mix it until and you just you stir it, and then you let it boil. For 5 minutes. It's done now. All I've got to do is add a tablespoon of sugar to balance the flavour. Just what granulated sugar will do. And then you add the corn flour paste in to thicken the sauce. And then you keep on stirring it until it's all thick. Put some more stock water in. Not too thick. Couple. It does 2 people. This feeds. The whole cucumber feeds 2 people. And you normally have it with rice. You have noodles if you want, but I've Made some rice, which I will be plating up in a minute, and the spring onions in. That's 4 spring onions I cut up. Got more, the rest of the mushroom stuff in the tureen. Well, it's getting too thick. It's not meant to be that thick. And put some coriander leaves in. You can buy, you can use dried or fresh, up to you. Fresh tastes nicer. I haven't got any fresh. And taste again. Tastes just right. All you do is sprinkle a bit of coriander leaf on top. Dry coriander leaf on top. That's all you use to garnish. And then you eat.
In your mouth.
Let me taste it.
In your mouth.
It tastes very nice, actually. Not spicy at all, but you know, coriander leaf with the herby taste, and the soy sauce, and the mushroom stir-fry vegetarian sauce. That makes it taste quite nice.
Okay.
It's savoury, but it's got a little bit of sweetness because I added sugar. And it was that sauce that makes it a bit sugary, but sweet. Very tasty. I urge you to try this, okay? It's a low-cost meal for any vegetarians or vegans. And it's very tasty. You can add chilli if you wanted to, but I can't keep on putting chillies in all my food, so yeah. So it's a mild version. It's mild, it's not hot at all. So, and I urge you to subscribe, like, comment, and share with everyone you know, please, to help me grow my channel. Okay, thank you. Until next time, thank you very much for watching.